Looking for a professional thermal imaging solution for automotive, electrical, or industrial applications? Meet the TOOLTOP ET693C Infrared Thermal Camera, available on Aliexpress. This advanced device combines a 256 by 192 infrared sensor with a 1080p visible light camera, giving you precise thermal detection and clear visual details in one tool. Thanks to Super IR image enhancement technology, the resolution is boosted to 512 by 384, improving image clarity and detail. You can choose from multiple imaging modes, including visible light fusion, single infrared, single visible light, and even picture-in-picture, plus 9 color palettes like iron, rainbow, and high contrast for better analysis. The ET693C supports photo and video recording, and comes with PC software for real-time imaging transmission and data analysis. It also features a laser positioning function, making it easy to locate and inspect targets accurately. Powered by a 2,600 mAh lithium battery, this thermal camera offers up to 4 hours of continuous use. It includes 8 GB of built-in memory, enough to store over 20,000 images, and supports 11 languages for global usability. With a temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, accuracy within plus or -2 degrees Celsius, and a compact 2.8-inch display, this tool is perfect for automotive diagnostics, electrical inspections, and preventive maintenance. If you need a thermal camera that combines precision, versatility, and durability, the TOOLTOP ET693C is the ideal choice. Check the link in the description to order yours today and take your diagnostics to the next level.